In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a faster computer, and we're going to start right now. Hey guys, Mike here from Mike's Computer Tips. I'm just going to show you a couple things. Now this program CCleaner that I'm talking about, you double click it. It's a free program, it's called CCleaner. Opens up. You don't need the new edition, just cancel no. And you can hit next. And it's going to check out your computer's health. It's called CCleaner. It's a free program. See right here. CCleaner free. You can just download it from Google, the internet. And you can go up here to custom clean. And then you go down to the right hand side where it says run cleaner. Just run cleaner and then it'll automatically clean everything. See, it freed up 2.193 megabytes. Then you go to the left where it says registry. Click on registry, go down here, scan for issues. And then it's going to search for any kind of registry issues that you have in Windows 10. It hasn't found any because I've already cleaned it, but if it did find anything here, you just go down to the bottom right and you hit Fix All Selected. Fix All Selected, this would light up. So that's that. Now you can close that whole thing out. Then what I suggest you do is download a program called Avast Free Antivirus. If you don't have an antivirus, it's right here. Just type in Google Avast Free Antivirus for Windows 10. Download, install it, and then once you open it, you can click on Run Smart Scan, and it will scan your computer. This is a very good antivirus. It's also free. You never have to pay for anything. Okay, no threats are found. It's scanning everything. Then you can hit next. No outdated programs. It's going to scan everything. And once the scanning's over, if you don't have any problems, okay, no problems, good, scan finished, done. And then you shut that off. And that's another good program. It's 100% free. Then there's another program I want to talk to you about. It's called Malwarebytes. Anti-Malware. That's another free program that you should get. So download Malwarebytes Anti-Malware. And it talks about a new version. I don't need a new version. This will come up. Install now. So download that and install it, and then run a scan. It's going to scan your computer for any problems, malware, spyware, anything that it finds. It's going to take some time because if you never ran it the first time, it's going to take a while. So just let it run, let it do its thing. It's checking for updates. It'll automatically update. And then it will scan your memory, it'll scan your startup files, it'll scan your registry, it'll scan your system files, and at the end it gives you a report, and it lets you remove it. If you'd like to remove what it finds, I suggest you do that. This is another free program, so get this also. I've been using these programs for over 20 years. These programs have been out for 20 years at least, and they're all free. They all work well, and I've been using them on my customers' computers for over 20 years. At least hundreds and hundreds of computers I fixed with these programs, and you can fix your computer with these programs too. That's why I'm telling you about them. And I suggest maybe once every couple of weeks you run all these programs. Or if you think you have a virus or your computer's running slow, you can run these programs. Once you have them, you have them. So this is running through, and it hasn't detected anything because I do this probably once a week or once every 2 weeks myself on my computer. So that's that. That'll run through. It's almost done. And if it finds anything, I'll show you how to remove what it finds. It's searching for any kind of infection that you can get on a computer. So just bear with it and see what it finds. 32,000 files. It's scanning your complete hard drive. And it's looking for any kind of malware infections, any virus type infection. It also depends on how fast your computer is. If you have a fast computer, these programs don't take too long to run. If your computer's a little slower, it will take a little time. But then again, once it's done, if it finds anything, it'll help you to speed up your computer. Another thing I suggest, and I always suggest, make sure you have enough memory in your computer. You can call your local computer shop and tell them how much memory you have, and they can install more memory for you if your computer will accept more memory. Also, I talk about Ssd hard drive. If you have a regular mechanical hard drive, Ssd hard drives are much faster. So I always advise people to switch to an Ssd hard drive. You can talk to your local computer shop about that, and you'll see a 10 times the speed of your computer. That's how much you'll see a difference of. Okay, so this is almost done. And just give it another couple seconds, and it hasn't found anything. If it finds anything, it will prompt you down here to remove it. Then you just highlight everything and you remove what it finds, and that's it. So it's almost done. We'll give it another second. You can see it's already scanned 158,000, 160,000 files, so it is scanning your whole computer. Okay, finished. It hasn't found anything, so you just close it out, and that's that. Now another thing I'd like to show you is that go down here. I'm going to put the start. I'm going to have the start menu here so you could see what I'm talking about. That's your Windows start menu, bottom left hand corner, and you can use your keyboard if you want, and just hit Windows and the R key at the same time, and it will open this box. And the box that it opens is the run box. And you type in TEMP, very simple. Then you hit OK. If you get this continue, hit continue, and delete everything that's in here. Now, if you have a lot of them, what you'll have to do is you'll have to hold down the Control A key. Control A, that'll highlight everything. And hit your delete key on your keyboard. If they don't all go away, don't worry about it. Just close it all out. Then you go back to your Windows R. That'll bring up the box again and get rid of what's in there. And then just type in prefetch, Prefetch, small letters. And then hit OK. Continue if that comes up. And now look, there's a lot of files there, so you hit Control A, highlight everything, hit delete. Very simple. Close that out. I'm going to do it one more time. Windows R, backspace. Now this time we're going to hold a shift and we're going to hit the percentage sign above the 5. Now we're going to type in temp, T-E-M-P, percentage sign again. And then we're going to hit OK. And then you'll have this in, and then Control A again and delete. And then close that out. The other thing I wanted to show you is, and also when you do that, it may take some time. So if they don't all go away, try it a couple times. We're going to go to the Google browser now. Here's the Google browser. Open it up, and on the right-hand side, upper right-hand side, there's 3 dots. Click on that. Click on History. Go over here to the left, and then you hit Clear Browsing History. Now, I've already done it, so I don't have any. Now mine says last hour, but what you should do is bring this drop down to all time, and then you hit Clear, and you want it to clear everything. Then you'll close that out. Okay, so now you've done a lot of cleaning on your computer, and you'll see a difference in the way it performs. But also make sure you go to your recycle bin once you're done and open it and empty everything that it has in there. So I hope you get a lot out of this video. Make sure you do this on your computer regularly, every few weeks, and you'll see a big difference in the way it performs. This is Mike from Mike's Computer Tips, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.